In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate for WP Engine. This guide is perfect if you're looking to earn some extra revenue by promoting high-quality web hosting services. We'll cover everything from signing up for their affiliate program to effectively promoting your affiliate link. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for the WP Engine affiliate program. Head on over to their official website and look for the affiliate section, typically found at the bottom of the page. Signing up is straightforward. You'll need to fill out some basic information about yourself or your business. Remember, it's essential to provide accurate and up-to-date information to ensure a smooth application process. Once you've completed the application, submit it for approval. WP Engine usually reviews submissions fairly quickly, but it can vary, so keep an eye on your email for any updates. Once you're approved, it's time to log into your affiliate dashboard. The dashboard is your go-to for all things affiliate related, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Here, you'll find your account settings, performance metrics, and the resources WP Engine offers to help you succeed. Next, let's get your affiliate link, which is critical for tracking your referrals and earning commissions. From the dashboard, you can easily locate and copy your unique affiliate link. This link contains a special code that lets WP Engine know that new customers came from your promotion efforts. Be sure to use this link whenever you share WP Engine with others, as it's the only way you'll receive credit for any referrals. Now, it's time to promote your affiliate link. A few effective ways to do this include creating blog posts, tutorials, or reviews. Write content that details the benefits and features of WP Engine, making sure to include your affiliate link in strategic locations throughout the article. Additionally, you can create YouTube videos, demonstrate how WP Engine works, highlight its features, or review the service. Make sure to provide value in your videos, and always remember to include your affiliate link in the video description. Social media is another powerful tool for promotion. Share engaging and informative posts about WP Engine across your social media channels, ensuring your affiliate link is included. Consistent posting can help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of referrals. Email newsletters are also a fantastic way to reach potential customers. Craft an email that outlines the advantages of WP Engine and include your affiliate link. This personal touch can often be the nudge someone needs to try out the service. Finally, don't forget to monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Keeping track of your clicks, leads, and commissions will help you understand what's working and what might need tweaking. This analytics feature is a powerful tool for optimizing your strategies and maximizing your earnings. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful WP Engine affiliate. Good luck and happy promoting!